Now, I've already explained you how to find the HCF and the LCM by using the arithmetic, by using the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. But this is if we have to put it in words, this is how it is written. HCF is the product of the smallest powers of each common prime factor. We just take the common part of the, we just take the smallest number of each two workers into each price and 9 can be written as and 25 can be written common prime factor, correct? The highest 3 into 3 raised to power 2 what is this? Now I'll give you an, let's say 44 written. 44 is equal to 2 into 11. From here, and then I'll solve it for you. HCF over here is the into 3 is included. This 11 this makes it would have been now HCF, and for this, the HCF is the for the smallest power of the factor. 11 is not common, 2 is not common, 7 is not common, but 3 is. Two raised to power 2 is included, into 3 included. Now this, so this is 7, correct? So this is the LCM for these three numbers. So if you see over here, the LCM for these two numbers, for these three numbers and these three numbers is same, but the HCF differs. Either the HCF can also be same and the LCM can differ. Anything can happen in these questions, and you have to remember, if you go by these statements, it will be very easy to find out the LCM and the HCF. But understand these statements very well. These statements say product of the smallest powers of each common prime factor. You don't have to just cram these statements. Understand the meaning of these statements, correct? So understand the meaning of these statements, and then you will find out the LCM and the HCF very easily.